Here, blow her a kiss.
Who are you Skyping?
Tweety.
Tweety, can you blow Tweety kisses? Good.
Hi, Mom.
Oh.
Hi, Mommy. How are you, Danny?
Good.
Where are you?
You good? I'm glad.
I'm at Kira's house.
Having.
Lunch.
Who you sitting with?
I used to eat Poppy.
Yeah.
Where's Poppy?
Poppy.
There he
Hey,
is.
Poppy.
He's right there.
What's Poppy doing?
Having brunch with the Deej. Seeing the whole fam.
Nice.
There's Hanny in the background. Where's Hannah? Is she right behind you? Right behind you?
Tweety's on Skype. I see.
Tweety. Tweety's on Skype.
I'm Skyping with Tweety.
Wow, lucky.
What are you doing? Thank you for Skyping.
Very welcome. I'm going to use my new computer that Poppy so nicely bought me.
Yeah. Well,
This is
how can
my
that happen?
mom.
Poppy wasn't even there.
Take
My
a
mom's
picture.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Skyping.
What are you Skyping with?
Tweety.
Should I take a picture of you Skyping, DJ?
What are you doing on Skype?
Talking to Tweety.
What are you doing on Skype?
Alright, let's blow Tweety kisses.
Blow her kisses. Say so nice to Skype.
It's so nice to Skype.
See you soon, Tweety. Bye.
Bye.
Tell her I love you.
Love you.
I love this shirt.
That's
I
from
go,
his
Tweety,
grandpa.
let's take a picture.
Bye.